The purpose of this video is to help you with this week assignment. Enter the following commands into a console. Enter this command into a console. Once you have entered this command into a console, click enter. Now enter the following command into a console. Once you have entered this command into a console, click enter. Here, type your name. Once you have typed your name, click enter. Here, you want to start something new. You already completed the first two modules, 1 and 2. Now you want to complete module number 3. And the way you get to module number 3 is by selecting number 3. No, let me start something new. Once you have typed number 3, click enter. Now select number 1, art programming. So type 1, and after you're done typing 1, click enter. Here are your modules. So you want to complete module number 3, sequences of numbers. And this is how you select your modules. In this class, you'll be required to complete many of these modules. And this is how you get to these modules. Follow the steps that I just outlined to get to the modules for every assignment that requires you to complete that module. And here, for this specific assignment, you'll be completing module number 3, sequences of number. So I type in number 3 and click enter. Read the instruction in red letters and click enter. So follow these instructions for all future assignments that require you to complete a module. If you have any questions, please ask your professor. Have a great day.